Nangamanadi, allies. We were just having a reflection that it's 1 year on from the Voice Referendum, and at the time, Auntie, and since, people have done a lot of sorry business, grieving about the result.
Yeah.
You had a bit of a different perspective, didn't you, Auntie?
Yeah, and I always have had too, Carla, in the sense that nobody can give us a voice. Only we can give ourselves a voice. And I'm very big on empowering our mob. You don't need the government to approve that you have a voice. You just exercise it, and that's how you get empowered.
Yeah.
And also, the other way I differed too, Carla, was a lot of people were sad and saw it as a failure and that. But I said to them, you know what? 6 million Australians voted yes. I mean, that's incredible. That means there are 6 million people that want to do the best by First Nations peoples. And that's good faith and goodwill that we mustn't lose sight of that. Really important to build upon that.
So true, Auntie. How do we build on this momentum of the 6 million people, as you said, that did vote yes? How do we keep the fires burning? People talk about being concerned about losing hope. I mean, as a non-Indigenous ally, how could I lose hope when we look at the resilience that First Nations people have shown and continue to show? So as 97% of the population, now more than ever is time to stand up. Take the pledge if you haven't already. In Yidagulgorna.
Go well.